If you're looking for a step-by-step guide to the Backdoor Roth IRA, you're in the right place. This strategy is a game changer for high-income earners, especially for American retirees who want to save on taxes and maximize their retirement savings. But, like many other strategies, it can seem a bit complicated at first. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down and help you understand how to use the Backdoor Roth IRA to your advantage step by step. Now, before we dive in, let me share something with you. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to ensure it grows securely for your retirement, I encourage you to check out the first link in the description below. It's a free gold IRA guide that's already helping thousands of Americans secure their retirement savings. If you have 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 in savings, this guide could really help protect your wealth. But let's get back to the topic at hand. A Backdoor Roth IRA allows you to sidestep income limits that prevent higher earners from contributing directly to a Roth IRA. So, if your income exceeds the eligibility for a Roth IRA, around $144,000 for individuals or $214,000 for married couples, this strategy is a powerful way to get those same tax-free growth benefits that a Roth IRA offers. Step 1 is to make a contribution to a traditional IRA. There's no income limit on contributions to a traditional IRA, meaning anyone, regardless of how much you earn, can make a contribution. Keep in mind that the contribution limit for 2025 is $6,500 per person, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. But you can't just stop here, because in order to turn this into a Backdoor Roth IRA, we need to take it to the next step. Step 2 is converting that traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. The key here is that once you've contributed to the traditional IRA, you can convert it to a Roth IRA without any income limits. This conversion typically takes place very quickly, often within the same year as the contribution. The beauty of this strategy is that you get the tax-free growth of a Roth IRA, which can be a huge benefit if you have a long time horizon, like many retirees do. Now you might be asking, what about the taxes? Great question. If you contribute to a traditional IRA with pre-tax money, converting it to a Roth IRA could trigger some taxes. However, if you fund your traditional IRA with after-tax money, meaning you haven't claimed a deduction for the contribution, then the conversion to a Roth IRA is generally tax-free. It's important to be mindful of this, so you don't get hit with a surprise tax bill later. I know this might sound complicated, but it's actually a pretty straightforward process once you understand it. The reason the Backdoor Roth IRA works so well is because it allows you to take advantage of tax-free growth in a Roth IRA even if you're over the income limit. Compare this to other strategies like the traditional IRA or a taxable brokerage account, and the Roth IRA stands out because of its tax-free nature, which can be incredibly valuable, especially as you get closer to retirement. One thing I want to mention here is that while the Backdoor Roth IRA can be a great way to grow your wealth tax-free, it's not for everyone. If you're in a situation where you have large existing traditional IRA balances, it could trigger something called the pro rata rule, which might cause a portion of your conversion to be taxable. But don't let that scare you. There are ways around this, and an advisor can help you strategize if you have multiple IRA accounts. So if you're looking for tax-free growth and want to sidestep income limits, the Backdoor Roth IRA is definitely worth considering. And remember, if you want to learn more about strategies to protect and grow your wealth, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's the perfect companion for retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 in savings. Now, as we wrap up, keep in mind that a Backdoor Roth IRA is just one of many ways to protect and grow your retirement savings. For high-income retirees, pairing this strategy with a gold IRA could help balance risk and ensure your portfolio grows over the long term. If you want more detailed guidance, don't forget to grab the free gold IRA guide linked below. Take action today and start setting up your retirement for success. If you enjoyed this guide and want more tips on retirement strategies, don't forget to check out the link and get your gold IRA guide. It could be a game changer for your financial future.